Aloha, it's Scrapbook Clubhouse here. Gonna do another video for all our Facebook friends and our newsletter subscribers. Today we're gonna look at the Xyron machine that we carry here in the store, and we're gonna show you how wonderful it is. If you already have one, great. If you don't, this is one of the things that you really will find useful when working with tiny, small die cuts. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see I used the silhouette to cut this word, aloha, and it's actually welded. It's all one word. It's just joined right there, so it's kind of delicate. Now with that, you could just try and use regular scrapbook adhesive, but what we like to use is our Xyron machine. Now, let me bring this down here. These are some of the Xyrons that we have. We have some sassy prints like the zebra or the tiger there. But what it is it puts adhesive on the back of your item. So this is especially helpful with delicate things like this aloha. Let me show you how it works. All you do is just drop it in to the opening here. And how wide is the opening? It's a, let's see, 1.5 inch opening. So as long as it's that size, you can use this little sticker maker. And actually, if it is an item that's bigger than 1.5, more than likely it's going to be easy to use your traditional scrapbook glue anyways. So for the little itty bitty things, that's where this comes in handy. So I'm just dropping it in there. And on this side, I'm pulling out this paper here, and it's slowly pulling the die cut through the machine. Then all you do, it has a serrated edge, is just tear it, and you've got something like this. Then it says here on the plastic to rub and peel, so I'm going to give it a rub. But if you go one step further and take a little bit more time, you will get better results if you grab a stylus tool, or I'm just going to grab a pencil and use the point to trace around your item. What this does is cuts down on webbing, the glue spider webs that kind of come up. It doesn't do it too badly, but if you do this extra step, you don't get anything. Okay, so I'm just tracing around my die cut. So if you're a person that has, a quick cuts die cutter or an electric die cutter, and you have a lot of these little tiny things that you make with your machine, that's when this Xyron is the perfect companion for that. Okay, so rubbed it and I traced around it. Then you just lift this part up, and you can see that your die cut is now a sticker. So you can leave it on the side when you're ready to use it, or if not, you can just use it right away. Let me grab a piece of paper. So I'm just going to lift this up, and you can see there the webbing coming up a little bit, like right there. Okay, and then now it's just as easy as putting it on your project in the place you want, and you don't have to worry about it shifting or glue oozing out, and it just is so nice, neat, and fast. Okay, so this is a kind of a bulky one, bulky font. It would be easy for me to use just a regular kind of glue stick or tape runner, but if you're talking about something like this is where the Xyron really shows how important it is. Look how intricate this would be. I mean, you'd have to use a fine tip glue pen, or maybe even a glue to put it on there. But with the Xyron, it's fast and easy. Okay, so that's it. This is to show you the Xyron Model 150, and also another thing is you can also use this to put your ribbon on there. So you can put in your strands of ribbon, and that way it will stay on your project very nicely. I usually put 2 or 3 ribbons at a time to make use of all the adhesive space that you're gonna have here in the machine. And also I sometimes let my letters overlap just to get the most out of the adhesive on the cartridge here. It's very easy to refill, and we also sell the refills. It comes in permanent and removable, and this little guy is always in my scrapbook bag. So yep, that's the Xyron 150, and mahalo for watching.